guys, today I'm going to color my hair, so I thought of like film how I color my own hair at home. So what I usually use is this brand, it's called Lycée, and the color is Sweet Apricot. So right now my hair is the roots is all grown out. I've just washed my hair, just shampoo without using conditioner or without any lotion. So it's just I just wash my hair and also blow dry my hair. So this is a very easy way of coloring your hair. So in the box there is a solution like this. And this is the color. And this is the solution. I'm supposed to add this into this bottle here. Just pour in. In the box, it's provided a dispenser like this, so you just put it on the back, screw the dispenser, and you just need to do not shake it, you just need to do this and down a few times until it's well combined. In the box they also provide you with a pair of gloves. So I will wear this kit just to be safe. And I'll put on the gloves. Okay, let's begin. So what I do is I will usually start from the crown of my head. Just squeeze. The moment I squeeze, it becomes foam. This is the foaming bottle. I'll just rub it in bit by bit. So it's something like washing your hair. That's why I like this a lot, because it's so easy to use and you don't need to use those comb type or those comb to apply, or applicator. I don't need any applicator at all. I just need the gloves and the solution. So I just squeeze and I just roughly let the let the foam sink into my hair, and I just need to rub it in so that it's more even, and it goes into the roots, deep into the roots. Sometimes I can even just put on here and just apply. I'm supposed to remove the earring because it might stain your jewelry. Concentrate more on the roots. my head because that's where all my color has grown out. I mean, all my hair has grown out. It's really like washing my hair. The bubbles, I mean the foam, is really creamy and it doesn't drip. That's why I like it so much. It doesn't drip and it doesn't create any mess. Now slowly spread to the ends of your hair. Just apply whatever I have on my glove. Split into two. Usually one bottle is more than enough because my hair is not that long, so I try to use up the whole bottle. Foam is getting more and more creamy. It's kind of like sticking and it doesn't drip at all. Even it can even hold my hair up. So I'm left with just a little bit. Okay, finally it's no more. I'll just like touch up those at the sides. Just touch up wherever I think I missed. After touching up, I will try to rub it in one more time in case I miss any spot. I don't want it to have any uneven tone, uneven color. So just like separate them and go inside and rub again. press it down, and on the glove there's still a lot, so I'll do another last round of touching up. Okay. So I'll wash the glove. Now it's clean up time. I will use the glove and I'll just clean up the back of my neck, my ear, so that it doesn't stain my ear. For my face, I will use the wet wipes to clean up. Okay, then now I will wait for about 30 to 45 minutes. The bubbles will slowly turn color. It will turn from white to brownish. Yeah, a bit at the end it will be reddish brown. I mean, after it's developed, so it will become a bit reddish brown. So I will see you later. While waiting for my color to develop, I do my nails first. So now 30 minutes has passed and the color has become brown, so it's considered as fully developed. I will rinse my hair, and in the box is provided this rinse off treatment. So I'll just use water to rinse off my hair, then I'll apply this and I'll come back later. So I've just finished washing my hair and I put the treatment that is included in the package, and I have blow dry my hair and it looks very shiny. You can see the color. The color is very obvious. It's like you have gone to the salon. Sometimes I feel that it's even better than the salon. The color is really very obvious. Can you see that? And it's very even too. Even the inside. And my hair don't look and don't feel dry at all. It's really shiny. I think the treatment is really good, and the chemical that they use is non-drying. Because my hair it feels better than previous. Like I've gone through a salon treatment. The color is all around, even the ends of my hair. You can see the color. And it's not drying. I can easily comb my hair. It's really smooth. It's highly recommended to use this. It's a Japanese product. It's called Lise. I think it's by Cow. I buy this in Singapore, and it cost me 14 Singapore dollars. So it's really very affordable as compared to if I go to a salon to perm my hair. I think for my length, at least $100 Singapore dollars. Yeah, so now usually after I wash my hair, I'll show you my hair care routine as well. I'll put on some hair oil just at the ends. I'm using this L'Oreal Elsef Extraordinary Oil. It's to nourish the ends of my hair. I did the Korean C curl perm only at the ends of my hair, that's why you can see a natural curl. It's very easy to manage. So I'll just apply this oil every day after I wash my hair to protect my hair and to nourish my hair. After that, to set the curl, I usually use this Lucidol designing hair milk. This is for soft waves like mine. So I'll just pump about 2 small pumps like this, and I'll just rub it between my hand. And what I do is I just crunch my hair a little bit so that defines my curl. It's not sticky. I love the texture. It saves me a lot of time. After doing this, I don't need to curl my hair. And I look so put together every day just by doing this. I have soft curls just at the bottom, just at the ends of my hair. It smells really good. My camera almost fell on me. Yep, that's it for my video for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do give my video a like and subscribe for more. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.